Guys, so Robbie's back, and I have my dog in here, so you'll probably hear some weird grunting noises. Anyway, on Roblox today, I'm gonna turn into a burb, and then there's this weird head thing, and then you gotta reset yourself, and it's so weird. So I'm gonna probably try to avoid that. And yeah, Bear is my doggo. Anyway. So now I have become the evil bird. Okay, now let's go and be a bird today. What this? Okay, I'm going up some weird stuff. Guess who is it?
I need the phone charger.
I don't know where it is. Go away, Sunny. I'm being a bird and I became the godly bird now. Okay, I'm gonna go down this slide, I guess. Where am I? I want to lay eggs. Can you lay eggs? Go away, Sunny. It's not time for one of your cliche. What's it called? No, I fell. No. Oh, my dog. I know this looks bad. Yes, I know it looks bad. What's in this? I'm in a ditch now. Ditch. Okay. Hey guys, there's a ditch over here, so be careful. Another nest. How come there's no eggs? Anyway, gonna go back down the slide, I guess. What is that? Oh my gosh. What happened to them? What? Get off of me. What happened? What happened? Let go of me. I need to live. Who are you? Let go of the godly burb. Let go of the godly burb. Let go of me. Well, I'm just gonna walk with you on my butt the whole time now. Wait, where am I? What happened? Are we in the sky? How do I get down? Get off of me. Get off. Yes. Now, how do I get down from here? Nobody knows. Ah! I'm gonna have to reset this. I want to reset myself. Okay, I'm gonna reset myself. Reset. Okay, now let me reset. Okay, I am the super burb now. That's what I call birds, burb. Because my sister invented the Bok Bok Burb. It's a beautiful type of burb. And there's sauce over there. Why is there sauce? I want ice cream. Go inside the ice cream. I once got my head stuck in the slide, and now I want to go in the ice cream. Please. I love ice cream. Now, I don't know what happens in this world. You just become a burb and just be a burb because you're a burb and there's nothing else to do but be a burb. I do remember there are some stairs over here somewhere. Let's go look for these stairs. Where am I? Hello, burb. Where is the gong or something? Where are the stairs? Okay, I'm gonna follow this burb, I guess. Hello, fellow burb. I will probably leave you there. Oof, that's a low ditch. I'm gonna go in there. Where there's an avocado. Can I eat the avocado? Oh no, my head. My head's stuck to a pole. It's like on my head. Okay, I'm probably